In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Pence Snapchat filter. Okay, so all you need to do is launch up Snapchat, and then you want to tap on that search button next to your profile icon at the top left. Now you just want to search for Pence and it's going to load up the filter as the top result. You want to tap on that, and I can flip the camera, and now you can see that there's a fly on the top of my head, so you can take a video or a photo, and then you can go ahead and save this and then use it on either Instagram or TikTok and so on. So that is how you get the Pence Snapchat filter. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.